Hello, everyone. It is so wonderful to have you back at the QA Online Academy. I'm Rachel, and I hope you've all thoroughly reviewed our previous lessons on selecting, sorting, and filtering data. Mastery of those foundations is absolutely essential before we move into today's topic. Today, we're going to master a concept that every professional tester must understand: the world of null values. In the world of QA, knowing how to find nothing is just as important as finding something. Think of it like a precision search for missing information. In our last few chapters, we learned how to find specific records, but what happens when some of that data is simply unknown or missing? Today, we'll learn exactly what a null value is and how to find it using specific operators. And stay tuned, because once we understand nulls, we'll be ready for the next chapter: and or not operators. But first, let's see how null logic works. If a field in a table is optional, it's possible to insert a record without any value. This is saved as a null value. Remember, a null value is different from zero or an empty string. A field with a null value is one that has been left truly blank. It is an empty slot waiting for information rather than a slot containing a zero. So how do we test for it? It is not possible to use comparison operators like the equals sign. We will have to use the IS NULL and IS NOT NULL operators instead. This allows you to verify if required fields are being enforced correctly. Let's look at the clean syntax in PyCharm. To find empty values, we use the keyword IS NULL. This lists every record where that specific field was left empty, a vital tool for finding incomplete data. As you can see here, the syntax is unique. We write where address is null. This gives us a targeted list of exactly who has missing information in our database. Always use is null to look for these values. Conversely, the is not null operator is used to test for non-empty values. This retrieves every record with a value in the field, helping you verify that required information isn't being lost. Now it's time for you to become the investigator. Please open PyCharm on your computer right now. Imagine our products table. Some items were added without descriptions. Write a query to retrieve all columns for every product that has a null value in the description column. I'll give you 10 seconds. Ready? Go. Time's up. Did you manage to solve it? Did you remember to use is null instead of the equals sign? Let's check the perfectly clean and accurate solution together on the screen. Check your syntax carefully. The correct code is select asterisk from products, where description is null, followed by our semicolon. This returns every record with missing descriptions. Clean, precise, and professional. Great job today. Remember, the key to SQL mastery is consistency. Practice finding unique and missing data in your free time at home. Join me in the next chapter, and or not operators, where we'll learn how to combine these rules for truly advanced filtering. Please join our website and subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok channels to stay updated. Leave your feedback below. We love hearing from you. Happy testing.